Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the daytime running light on the VW Touran. So let's get to it. So it's the parking light, which is just situated there, or the daytime running light. Pull that out, go in there, you'll have two cables, this one and this one. Pull the yellow one out, like that. That exposes it. What you can do is simply pull it out. Good job. Like that. Get your replacement bulb. That goes in like that. These bulbs do get hot, so try not to use the fingers. I know I did. I've got plenty of bulbs to change them out, but you shouldn't do because of the oil on your fingers. But let's see if it worked. There you go, so it's worked. What you can do is get your cap and put it back in. Nice one. Thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. I will do more videos on the VW Touran and other Audis and VWs. So yeah, see you on the next one.